Yo, what's good? I'm CHRDS For Artists, and this is the first one out of a few steps, video steps. I will be trying to create a future bass track from scratch. I have my melody, which is a simple E melody. What we have here is the beginning of a future bass track. So what I'd like to do is having the track in 150 BPM. It's just a bit faster and it makes the whole atmosphere in a future bass track a bit more dope. What we have here is simple melody. And I can already add a new note there. Pull this one. Yes, okay, so I'll make some markers here. Intro. Okay, that's a small track. It's 2.5 minutes, so let's see if we can, okay, we can add some more here. We only have, we can move it a bit and do like this. 245, okay, yes, that's fine. So it look like something like this. 3 minutes, finish. Yeah, okay. So the first step of a future bass track is creating. You'll need the melody to begin with. You can make that. I've made this one. I really like it, so let's pull up a serum, plug in here, and let's see, we have a future bass one here. So just for the beginning here, let's see, okay, I dig this. Maybe if we do something like this, and we can actually do like this. Already the first steps is coming in nice. This is the first step, so let's just build the template of the track. Let's see, we're gonna need this one, and let's paste it in and remove the main. Try, there's a vocal preset in this pack. Okay, so we'll be adding a bass now. Which also come from this amazing preset pack. Actually pretty nice. Let's remove this. Keep. Let's create a beat, which will be needed as well. We'll be using a. There's a lot of different kind of style of future bass. this is a more thick kick, like it has a lot of width to it. Then there's the punchy kick, like this one. So let's pull this one in, and let's go with snares. Let's pull up a 1/1/4. We already know that this is where our snares will be placed. So if we take the chords with, maybe we should place one. I'm gonna need to place this one. So we could make something like this. Let's see. Now I will keep out of the 808s for this one, and okay, we kind of have our main beat here. Okay, so we have kind of like the main beat here. Let's add some hi-hats. So we kind of have like a beat here. What I would like to do is add some percussions. These should be a bit lower than the rest here. The percussion here is still not kind of what I want, so can do is adding some drum loops with percussions, something like this, you know. Let's well, we have it in the background, which will fill up the elements nicely. So this is the main thing we have. We have our beat and the melody. In the next video and step, I will build up the track, kind of layering the melodies and chords and bass to get a fuller sound